Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to put text behind a video subject in Capcut PC. Without wasting your time, let's get straight to it. So I'm going to bring in this clip of our dancing girl, very popular dancing girl in this course, into the timeline, and I will duplicate this to start with. I'm going to duplicate this, so copy, and I'll paste that again with Ctrl V. So now we have it duplicated. I want this in front to be without the background. So how do I do that? Since it's a green screen, we can use one method, and that is remove BG and chroma key. Okay, so we're just going to click on chroma key. We're going to pick in the color, which is green in this one, and we're just going to increase the intensity. You can do that by dragging the stroke, but I'll just do it from here so that I get what I really want. Okay, so you can do that from there. If you see that is time wasting, you can also do that from here. Okay, so I have to, sorry, let me hide this. Okay, so we have, sorry, because we had the double layer, that's why it was looking like it was not removing, but we have it here now. So let me get some of our air back. As you can see, just 20 worked for us. So I'll bring this in. I'll show you that. So you're looking at it, you think there's no background. There's actually background. If I put it off, you can see we created that. The next step is to bring in our text, right? So I'm just going to click on text, default text, right? Default text, I'm just going to hit that. And for the default text, it's just going to say, let me do Ctrl A to highlight all, like, and follow. Remember to like and follow if you're not doing that already. If you're enjoying this course so far, make sure you leave your positive feedback so we can increase it for the total length of the video, and we can change the colors if we want to. If you've not watched my video on very important settings you need to turn on, ensure you watch that now, because this is one of the reasons we need it. This is the step of the video we need it. So let's change the background. So I'm going to change the colors of the font. Okay, I'm a lover of blue, so I'll just try to, let's use purple. Let's see. Okay, let's use this. It flows more. You can actually change the font if you want to. You can change the font if you want to. Let's click on trending, and you can just use one cool font from here if you want to. It's up to you what you want to do, but I am just showing you how to do it and how to do it well. Okay, you can actually change the font. You can make it look a bit better, more creative, more unique. It's up to you what you want to do, but just make it look like that. So now we have this, and now I want this to be between these two layers. Very important. So I'm just going to drag it down, okay, like so. Remember, if you've not watched my course or my class on best settings to turn on, make sure you find it and watch it. Those settings are very important. So now I'm going to drag it for the entire length of this video, and this is the effect we get. So let's play it from the beginning without highlighting any of this text, right? So I'm just gonna play it, and this is how it looks. So nice, right? Super nice, super easy to do, not complicated at all. We have our dancing lady saying like this video, follow us, and drop your positive feedback. We'd like to see them. I hope you enjoyed this simple video on how to add text behind video dancing humans. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.